Hi, I'm Barbara Tierney from Lake Mahopac Graphic Design. I'm here to introduce Dr. Thakur and her process of IPL, or better known as PhotoFacial. So Jan, what are you putting on now?
This is the facial cleanser, and then we put this on first, and then we put the soothing gel before they do the procedure. Just the base.
And the fine lines and the wrinkles. So that's really what it does. So this light treatment which we do, it's called the PhotoFacial because it's like a deep cleansing and it basically takes off, exfoliates.
Oh, that's exactly what I need.
Right. So the black hairs, but you know, it's a mild treatment. It's not a very strong treatment like the peels.
Yeah.
So you.
Well, she looks like she just had a peel.
But you know, you're doing this like maybe once in 4 to 6 weeks, which is.
That's what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a clear gel, a cooling gel all over you.
So Jackie is preparing the patient with cooling gel.
Just make the tight one for me.
So that sound that you hear is the blowing of the machine on the skin to reduce any discomfort. When I had my treatment, I felt no discomfort. It was really pretty amazing. So after my treatment, I looked into the mirror and I was really amazed at how my pores were reduced. My skin looked so smooth. Dr. Thakur says that this produces collagen, and after several treatments, you'll really see a difference. I couldn't believe the difference after one treatment. So that's PhotoFacial. I hope you'll call if you have any questions. I'm so glad you came by to visit. We'll see you soon.